The best thing that I learned in the past couple years was that I have to take time to carve out things for myself that is just based on joy, that has nothing to do with my career, that has nothing to do with money, that has nothing to do with my partner, that has nothing to do with my family, just me, okay? So, when you leave here, and you go throughout your week, and you go throughout the rest of your weeks, I want you to check in with yourself, and I want you to make sure that you're creating some little moment that just belongs to you. For some people, it's a walk. For some people, it's a swim. Maybe it's gym. Maybe it's surf. Maybe it's whatever it is. Some people like to go take pictures of new flowers they've never seen before. Whatever it is, I want you guys to make sure that when you leave, you have that peace for yourself. And nobody can take that shit away from you, okay? I know this is a festival and we're supposed to be all turned and probably on drugs or high or